So hello guys, from the last video I showed you how to do a simple linear regression, and for this video I show you how to do a multiple linear regression and also what I have learned this week. So as you already know, from the first thing we have to do is to import the library. So here's the library. We have to import pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and then we have to import the dataset, and here's our dataset. So for the x variable is the independent variable and the y is the dependent variable. So look at that, our data sets right here. Look at the state. It's a categorical variable, so we have to convert it to the numerical variable. So how to convert it? We will use scikit-learn to convert it. As you can see here, here's the code that we use to convert it, and then we have to split it into training set and test set. All right, then we train it. So the way that we train the multiple linear regression is the same as the simple linear regressions, but we are not able to visualize it because we have more than one factor is we are about to visualize it. We have, it's gonna be a 5-dimension graph, so as a human we cannot do it. And here is our final result, our prediction. So since I'm so busy this week, so I cannot code alongside you, and if you want the code you can pause the video. Okay, so let's run it. All right, no error, so you can copy it and it's worked 100%. Bye guys.